greatest of humanity, the holiest art of the soul, the golden link which binds us to duty and truth, the redeeming principle that chiefly reconciles the heart of life, and is prophetic of eternal good. Hi, I'm Francis Petrarch, known as one of the greatest scholars of my age. I combine classical culture with Christianity into humanism. Humanism is the belief in the dignity and worth of all people. These ideas can be found in many of my writings that had a deep influence throughout Western Europe. I was born in Italy in the town of Arezzo on July 20th, 1304. I spent most of my childhood in Carpentras, a little town east of Avignon, France. My father, Ser Petraccio, was a notary. A notary is a type of legal profession. Following my father's wish, I moved to Bologna, where I studied law from 1323 to 1325. When my father died in 1326, I returned to Avignon, where I decided to stop studying law and begin religious studies instead. The turning point in my life was April 6, 1327, when I came across a beautiful young woman named Laura in the church of St. Claire de Avignon. Even though I didn't know her, she became the queen of my poetry, meaning she became a common study of all my writings. To be able to say how much you love is to love but little. This is what I think when I think of Laura. I wrote 366 poems about her, showing what a deep inspiration she was for me and for my writings. In 1341, I was crowned Poet Laureate of Rome, a person who has achieved distinction in a particular field. In my case, it was poetry, especially my sonnets. A sonnet is a type of a poem that follows a rhyming pattern and expresses a single complete idea. With this honor, I traveled throughout Europe, where I studied Old Latin manuscripts and Old Latin classics and other manuscripts. I love traveling simply for the joy of meeting new people and seeing new things. Some call me the world's first ambassador. While traveling in 1348, I learned that Laura had died from the plague, a disease that killed many people in the Middle Ages. I was devastated and spent the rest of my life grieving over her death. I lived my remaining years in Italy studying religion and died in 1374. I'm remembered as a great Italian poet who inspired many people to learn the Middle Ages. Thank you for coming. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
Don't move yet. Do that one paragraph. I spent my time traveling.
Mom, stop the camera.
No, it's okay. It's okay. The paragraph. What? Don't change it. Don't change it. Just do the section. About the poet laureate and.
In 1341.
Yeah. Ready.
In 1341, I was crowned Poet Laureate of Rome, a person who has achieved distinction in a particular field. In my case, it was poetry, especially for my sonnets. A sonnet is a poem that follows a rhyming pattern and expresses a single complete idea. With this honor, I traveled throughout Europe, where I studied Old Latin classics and other manuscripts. While traveling in 1348, I learned that Laura had died from the plague, a disease that killed many people in the Middle Ages. Okay, we need to redo it.
That's okay. I think we got it. I just wanted to get the part about
Mom, stop the camera!